Sairam children, welcome back to the session. Children, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Are you all ready? Okay, now tell me, can we live without water? No, isn't it? We cannot live without water. Water is life. So we need water for drinking, for bathing and for many other purposes, isn't it? Water is precious. So children, let's learn more about water in lesson number 12, Our Water Wealth. In this lesson, you will learn about the uses of water and its sources. Why there is a shortage of water. The different ways in which water is provided to people. So children, let's get started. Children, we all know plants and animals need water. All plants and animals need water to drink and to bathe. Okay, plants need to be watered every day to grow. So there can be no life without water. So children, now we will see the uses of water. So we need water. Now tell me, when you get up in the morning, what is the first thing you will do? Yes, you will brush your teeth, isn't it? So we need water to brush our teeth, to drink, to bathe, to wash clothes and cook our food. We also need water to clean our house, to wash utensils, to wash vegetables and fruits. Okay, and farmers also need water to grow crops. They grow different types of vegetables and fruits and other crops. So they need water to grow. Water is also used in industries. Manufacturing and other industries use water during the production process. When they produce a product, they use water during the production process for either creating the product or cooling down the equipment used in creating the product. Is it clear? And water is also used to generate electricity, which is called hydroelectricity. So children, is that clear? Next is sources of water. Children, do you know about 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water? This is our planet Earth. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Okay, and the rest is land. And it is present in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. So there are many rivers in our country. Children, do you know water is also present under the earth's surface as groundwater? Is it clear? Now we'll see distribution of water. Just look at that picture. Children, do you know about 97% of Water on the earth's surface is saline. Saline means salty. Okay, 97% is saline and the remaining 3%, that is 2%, is in the form of glacier and the remaining 1% is fresh water. And in that 1%, 0.99% is groundwater and the other fresh water is only 0.1%. Is it clear? So we have to use water carefully. We should not waste water. Okay. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. It is in oceans or seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Water is also present under the earth's surface as underground water. Okay, so children, now tell me, from where do they get water? What is the main source of water? Just think and tell. Yes, rain is the main source of water. So when rain falls to the ground, some of it flows along the land surface to streams, rivers and lakes, and some water from the surface seeps into the ground and it is stored under the ground as underground water. Okay, is it clear, children? Underground water can be used by digging a well, or you can extract the water by using a hand pump. So children, have you ever tried this? Okay, so it can be used by digging a well or by pumping water from hand pump and also by tube wells. So children, is that clear sources of water? Children, did you know more fresh water is stored under the ground than on the earth's surface? Okay, our next topic is shortage of water. So children, now tell me, there is so much of water in the oceans, seas, rivers and lakes, but we still have a shortage of water in many of our cities and villages. What are the reasons for this? Just think and answer. Yes? This is because water in the seas and oceans is salty. Can we use it for drinking? Can we use seawater for drinking? No, isn't it? So, it cannot be used for drinking or by farmers for watering their crops. Okay, is that clear? So children, with this I'll stop the topic shortage of water, and the remaining part of this lesson will continue in the next class. Okay, so let's summarize what we have learned today. So today we have learned uses of water. So children, what are the uses of water? Yes, water is used for drinking, cooking and for many other purposes. Okay, next is sources of water. Yes, rivers, lakes, ponds and underground water are the sources of water. Shortage of water. There is so much of water in the oceans and seas rivers, lakes. But still we have a shortage of water. Why? Because of the water in the seas and oceans is salty. It cannot be used for drinking or by the farmers for watering their crops. Okay. So children, now let's do some objectives. First one, state true or false. About 2/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Just listen carefully. About 2/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Options are true, false. So just think and answer. Yes? Very good. False. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. So this is false. Okay. Next is water is also present under the earth's surface as underground water. True or false? Yes, very good. True. So children, the remaining part of this lesson will continue in the next class. Until then, bye. Thank you.